Hey guys, I'm showing you this Kinivo USB Bluetooth adapter for PC. The model is BTD500. It's a Bluetooth 5.0 wireless dongle receiver for Windows or Raspberry Pi Ubuntu wherever you want to use. So it's a very small USB adapter, as you can see, compatible with the laptops and headsets with a speaker, mouse, keyboard, and printers. You have to choose it by installing it. So I will just put in the laptop. It's easily recognizable. So just put in my PC. It recognized it very well and then connected to the other devices using this Bluetooth. So it's a very helpful adapter if you want to use it like in a PC or a computer laptop and connect your other devices through the Bluetooth connection. And can of course connect to your Bluetooth speakers, Bluetooth headphones, printers, or any other things. It is a multiple support or multiple device support, and you can add it to a PC or things where there is no Bluetooth adapter or Bluetooth connection in it.